Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove weed and grass from your concrete pathways and driveways, etc. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, there are two methods you can do. One is like temporary, another one is you can also do permanently. Both I'll explain in this video. So what you need a weeding rake like this. Okay, this is not like I purchased. This is fine for this one, but I'm gonna return it because in certain areas it may not work. I'll get a different one, but yes, for the at least for this area I can show you the video. I mean, you need to buy based on your needs. Okay, for this particular one it will work, and I'll show you how. So you need to, you see it's fitting there, so you need to take this off. Okay, so it's gone. You can wash it, and for temporary, like for a season or two, it's absolutely okay. If you have more, that also you can remove at other sites. Now this is for the temporary solution. What are you gonna do if you need permanent? So what you need to do, measure this distance, okay, I mean this gap, and buy a suitable backer rod. I'll show you how a backer rod looks like. So this is how a backer rod looks like. I have taken it for a different purpose, but yes, you see that it is a backing material for caulking project. Basically it goes into the gap, and it like reduces the amount of sealant that you need to seal. So after you put in over there, you can seal it with a suitable sealer, like there are concrete sealer, polyurethane sealers that you can put on top of it. Then it should be good. Okay, then weed and grass should not grow and come out of it. And because it's flexible, compressible, you can say, so that's why with the temperature change, when concrete expands, it's going to absorb that. So the most important thing when you buy is to check the size. Diameter is very important. Okay, and then you need to buy that one. So depending upon the gap you have, you need to take. And if it's making like a first time, I mean if you are having a new project, then probably your guys will install this expansion joints, then that itself will hold for few years. But for older ones, this will I mean if the joints are coming out, this will definitely help. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.